What does the recent Pentagon decision mean for Trump's commitment to NATO? This move could reshape the future of one of the world's most significant military alliances and reveal surprising shifts in U.S. foreign policy. In recent weeks, the Pentagon made a decision that has captured global attention. By adjusting the scale and nature of U.S. troop deployments and funding within NATO, the Pentagon is hinting at a more selective approach. This move could mean less direct involvement in certain NATO operations while emphasizing strategic priorities elsewhere. It reflects broader concerns about burden sharing and America's long-term military engagement overseas. This decision sends a clear message. The U.S. expects its NATO partners to step up more significantly. During his presidency, Donald Trump often criticized NATO allies for not contributing enough financially, calling for them to increase defense spending. Yet, he also affirmed the importance of the alliance. This Pentagon decision reflects some of Trump's key positions by pushing for allies to carry a greater load. However, the decision also risks undermining the collective defense principle if the U.S. scales back too much. It's a delicate balance between holding partners accountable and maintaining strong transatlantic security ties. NATO relies heavily on U.S. leadership and military capabilities. The Pentagon's decision could serve as a wake-up call for European members to boost their defense commitments. However, it might also create tensions within the alliance if perceived as the U.S. stepping back. Some experts warn this could embolden adversaries or weaken collective defense. On the other hand, it might incentivize long-term sustainability by encouraging fairer burden distribution. The true impact depends on how NATO partners respond. The recent Pentagon decision is more than a bureaucratic change. It reflects shifting U.S. priorities and tests NATO's resilience. It echoes Trump-era concerns, but also forces allies to rethink their roles. Understanding these dynamics helps you see how global security alliances evolve. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.